Horsegram, it is the most protein-rich lentil found on the planet. Soak it in the water for about 6 to 8 hours, then tie it in a cloth and keep it.
It takes a lot of effort and resources to make such videos, so please support us by watching the video till the end and share it with as many people as you can. Are you someone who also believes that consuming non-vegetarian diet is important to meet your daily protein requirements? Then here's some food for thought. Did you know that the famous martial artist Bruce Lee was a vegetarian? Similarly, the legendary boxer Mike Tyson and the famous tennis star Venus Williams are also vegans. In fact, the bodybuilder Mr. Hiralal Dhillon, who won Mr. Punjab 8 times, is also a vegetarian. And of course, our very own Virat Kohli, the Indian cricketer, is also a vegetarian. The trillion-dollar protein industry is a farce which is doing much more harm than good. There are studies to indicate that excessive protein can increase the risk of cancer. The National Academy of Medicine recommends that adults need only 0.8 grams of protein per day for every kilogram of their weight.
Even if you eat garbage, you will live. But eating with care and watching what the body needs will enable the body in many ways. A conscious managing, not becoming a health freak, being, stressed about what do I eat, what do I do this, how do I this… No, that itself is damaging. Just being conscious, how much of what is body's requirement today, that's what you do. Horsegram, it is the most protein-rich lentil found on the planet. It's very high-powered, so that's why race horses are fed with this gram, which is called as horsegram today.
A quick fun fact, a high-protein, high-calorie food with almost no fat, Horsegram, has 3 times the calories of chicken, 10 times the calcium of milk, and twice the protein of eggs, with phosphorus equal to that of soy.
It's called kollu in Tamil and huruli in other languages, ulu in Telugu. So, this is a very good thing. If you sprout it, you digest it much more easily. You can keep it in a bowl in your room, get one white cloth, put it in that, soak it in the water for about 6 to 8 hours, then tie it in a cloth and keep it closed. In about 3 days, it'll sprout. If it's sprouted, you can just eat it raw. If it's come out about half an inch out of the seed, you can eat it raw. It takes a lot of chewing and eating. You chew it and eat it. It's very good. Now, this will increase heat in the body. Today sun is up and suppose today you drink kollu or eat kollu and you feel too much heat, then you must balance it by eating green gram. Sprouted green gram will cool the system. How do you know excessive heat is? You will notice your eyeballs are hot, or you want to go and pee. You want to pee, it's full but it won't come out, it hurts. That means there is excess heat. Such a thing happens, you just drink some ashgourd juice or eat some green gram or take some castor oil and apply it on, either inside the navel or the anahata, the vishuddhi, this place and these 2 spots behind the ears. If you apply instantly, within 5 minutes, the system will cool down, go to the bathroom, everything will happen without effort. So, the body has to be managed. Even now, self-management is happening, but if you consciously manage it, it'll function better. It's as simple as that. If you want to use this system at a higher dimension of performance, then you have to watch it.
Horsegram is highly protein-rich, high in calcium, low in fat, and full of antioxidants. Horsegram, a staple in Ayurveda, offers various health benefits. Consuming a paste of boiled horsegram and pepper can alleviate asthma symptoms and reduce cough and congestion. It's also a diuretic, which means it aids in increasing the urine flow, preventing kidney stones. Raw horsegram seeds can lower post-meal blood sugar and combat insulin resistance. Incorporating horsegram into the diet can aid in weight management by targeting fatty tissue. It is also known to generate heat, making it ideal for cold days. Additionally, its high iron content supports regular menstrual cycles and boosts the hemoglobin levels. Scientists from the Indian Institute of Chemical Technology have found that unprocessed raw horsegram seeds have the ability to reduce high blood sugar. Horsegram, especially in the form of soup, has the ability to generate heat and energy in the system and therefore keeps you warm on a cold winter day. Keep in mind that horsegram contains a phytic acid, which is an anti-nutrient. That means it can stop your body from absorbing all that nutrient goodness. So it is important to soak it first before consuming. Now, when I was training to be an Isha Hatha Yoga teacher, we were training for 7 to 8 hours every day, and this was a meal that we were given every day. 1 bowl of hot horsegram soup every afternoon. This is highly nutritious for those who are into intense physical activity and who need that extra dose of protein. Let's see how to make this. The ingredients are horsegram, half cup, tamarind paste 2 to 3 teaspoons, peppercorn 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, mustard seeds half tablespoon, curry leaves 1 sprig, coriander leaves 1 or 2 sprigs, salt to taste, oil 2 teaspoons. Now you soak the horsegram seeds overnight in a pressure cooker till it is soft. Drain the water and keep it aside for future use. The water color will be chocolatey. Dry roast the mustard seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorn and grind it to a fine powder. Now mash half of the cooked horsegram. Heat the oil in a pan and shallow fry the curry leaves. Add the tamarind paste, strained horsegram water, roasted powder, smashed horsegram and salt. Add sufficient water and make sure the gravy is not too thick. Add the remaining horsegram and mix it. Remove it from the flame. Sprinkle the finely coriander leaves over the gravy. Serve with steamed rice and enjoy it.
To get free tips on food, health, Ayurveda, lifestyle, and yoga by Sadhguru, please join our WhatsApp and Telegram link below.